Hello, this is Mr. Miller, and in this video we're going to learn how to do a grid challenge. The grid challenge kind of looks like this. We're going to evaluate a bunch of expressions, and we're going to do it one column at a time. So to begin this one, let's start with the first column where x equals 12. We're going to substitute 12 into all of these expressions and evaluate them and write the results in this first column. So for instance, to do this square right here, we're going to substitute 12 into x minus 9, and when we substitute 12 for x, we get 12 minus 9, which is 3. That's what goes here. We're going to substitute 12 into this one. 4 times parentheses 12 minus 9 would be 4 times 3, which is 12. And then we're going to substitute 12 for x into this one. So I'm going to write it down here. We're going to do 4 times 12 minus 9 plus 26. Well, we already did the 4 times 12 minus 9 and got 12. If we add 26 to it, we get 38. So normally we just write the results here. You don't have to show your work in each of the boxes, just kind of show the result. All right, that column is finished. We're going to start the second column here. For this column, we're going to let x equals 4. And we're going to kind of do the same thing, evaluate the expressions. So when I put 4 into the first expression, we have 4 minus 9, which is negative 5. Okay. On the next one, it's 4 times x minus 9. It's actually 4 times what I had before. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Okay. Notice this expression is the same as the previous one, except it has plus 26. Whatever I had before, I'm going to add 26. So negative 20 plus 26 is positive 6. Okay. Now, this is where it kind of starts to be a little bit of a challenge. We don't know x for this one. We have to figure it out. So we've got to use the information we're given. We're given that x minus 9 equals 11. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to write a little equation here, and we can solve it with backtracking. X minus 9 equals 11. So I got x, I'm subtracting 9, and we're ending up with 11. So we're going to do 11 plus 9, and we get 20. Oh, x is 20. And now that I know what x is, I can evaluate the other expressions. And if you do that, you get 44 and 70 for these two guys. All right, on this one, the clue that we're given is that 4 times x minus 9 equals 16. Well, I don't know what that is off the top of my head, but we can set up an equation and solve it. So if we backtrack, we're subtracting 9 because of the parentheses. We're multiplying by 4, and we're getting 16. So we're going to do 16 divided by 4 plus 9, and we end up getting 13. So this one's 13. Okay, when you substitute it into the other expressions, you get 4 and 42. All right, last one. The clue we have is that this huge mess is equal to negative 2. All right, so let's write that over here. 4 times x minus 9 plus 26 equals negative 2. This one's a little bit more complicated, but we can still do it step by step with backtracking. We're subtracting 9 because of the parentheses. We're multiplying by 4, so times 4. We're also adding 26, and we're supposed to get negative 2. All right, negative 2 minus 26, divide by 4, add 9, and you'll get what x is. X is 2. Okay, and once you know x, the rest are easy. That is how you do a grid challenge. All right, good luck.